Welcome back to another video. So as I was saying, obviously my mate's got some problem with his hydraulic lifter, so we're just going to put this fluid in. Hopefully it should do it. He's had it like in 3-4 times already. Obviously I'll update you in like half an hour as well. My mate tells me he's got noisy tappets in his car. I'll turn it on and I'll show you. So I got this treatment stuff to put in it, so obviously once it's done I'm going to go and put that in there. So basically, as I was saying, my mate said he's got noisy tappets, so we're going to put some of this treatment in. It says add it to the oil. It says leave the engine idle for 20 minutes. Hopefully it works. You have to keep it running for 20 minutes. I'll give you an update on it in about half an hour's time, and I'll see you over then. I said I'd come back in half an hour now. Fully synthetic 5W40 for this car, specifically for this car. Just a litre bottle will do. Yeah, we left it on idle for about 25 minutes. So it should work, and obviously I'll come back to you in half an hour to update you on it again. So I'll see you at the end of the other one. It's not made much improvement, to be fair. It's quieted it down a bit. It's a lot worse. Don't forget to leave a like, share, subscribe, click on post notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you, so I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop, got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you